So like it's 2024. He's just starting his career in marketing. You're like, further on, like at the top of marketing now. Like, what advice would you give younger Brian?
Oh, the advice I would give younger Brian is be curious, be challenging, question why. Because if you don't ask those questions and you're not curious, you're not going to learn. Also, don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Right.
A mistake is an opportunity if you learn from it. So take risks, calculated risks, do the analysis, but don't overanalyze. Don't get into the analysis paralysis situation. If you're not sure, ask for guidance, but feel free to take ownership, ask the right questions, and put your thoughts forward.
This is episode 70, and so an earlier guest talking about a similar topic, and I apologize to if that person happens to be watching, because I don't remember who it was, said something that was really clever. They said, I thought that's like over time, people will remember dumb answers, but they virtually never remember your dumb questions. So ask away.